In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily get rid of SOS only mode on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off, we need to swipe down from the top right corner, just like that, to bring up the control center. On the control center, first off, I recommend you to turn on airplane mode. Just tap at that icon to activate it, and then wait for 3 to 5 seconds and tap at that icon again to turn it off. Then wait for maybe 5 seconds until it will show you the information about your network here. And then, if it doesn't help for some reason, also I recommend you to turn off Wi-Fi and cellular data. Wait for a couple of seconds and then turn it back on, and then check if it helps you or not. If for some reason it doesn't help you, the only way you are going to try is just to reboot your device. On an iPhone 15 series, to reboot an iPhone, we need to hold at the same time volume up button and the power button, just like that. Hold it for a couple of seconds until that screen comes up, and then to turn off our device, we just need to drag this slider to the very right, and then the screen will turn off. After you wait for a while, you can long press at side button until Apple logo appears, and then just wait for your device to load. After that, you can write down in the comments below if it helps you or not to get rid of SOS only on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.